moon, sun.
Kindergarten science class. Our little scientists had a blast experimenting with chemical reactions. We mixed cornstarch with water and added iodine, turning it blue-black. Then we tested vitamin C and citric acid solutions. The iodine mixture stayed the same with vitamin C but changed to blue-black with citric acid. Hands-on learning in action.
S-C-I-E-N-C science, hey! I'll be a scientist. S-C-I-E-N-C science, hey! I'll be a scientist. S-C-I-E-N-C science, hey! I'll be a scientist. I wanna be superhero. I wanna be superhero.
Morning. Right, so this is... Okay, big words I know. Right, so we have to mix some cornstarch in the water and iodine here. This will indicate the alkaline and the acid, okay, in these two mixtures. So who's first? You got it first? Right. 3, 1 more. 4, back. No, don't go. You have to sit and you stir, please. 2 hands. Hold the glass, that's it. Okay, good job. In. Oh, right, give it a good stir. Stir. 2 hands. Hold it, that's it. Good job. Okay. 2. Okay, yeah, big one, good job. In. 3. 1 more. Yeah, in. Okay, well done. Right, wait. We need to stir. 2 hands. And 3. 4. 1 more. 5. Good job. Yes, no, stir. Sit down. Stir, please. 2 hands. Hold it. Yeah. Okay. So this is iodine, cornstarch, and water. This one is the vitamin C and water. This one is the citric acid and water. So this will indicate, if it doesn't change color, it's alkaline. If it changes color, it's acid. Acid, yeah, right. Are you ready then? So put 2 in here. In. Hold it. Hold. And again. Okay, and 2 in here. Two. 1. 2. Let's give them a stir. This one. Wow, can you see it? Right, you want to come back? 1. 2. 1. 2. Give them a stir. This one. Okay, look at the change. Don't go in. 1. 2. 1. Wakey. 2. Give them a stir. 2. Good job. Right, come on. Stir. Yeah, come back. Yeah. Good job. Come on. 2. Stir. Sit down. Stir. Wow. Good job. 2.